right, so the tool that I'm going to talk about today is called Canva.com. As you can see, I went to it just by typing in canva.com into my web browser, and it brings up the login page. So what I first realized that I like about this is how easy it is to log in with either Facebook or Google. This helps you sync things and share things very easily with either of these two social media pages. I like to sign in with Facebook. That's the one that I use the most. So I sign in with Facebook, and here is what my homepage of Canva looks like. So you can see my account information up here, has my name, my profile, and all that kind of stuff. So the purpose and function of this website is to create a visual with limited words on it. So it's mostly about pictures, images, and a few phrases that you can put on there to share with friends or on social media. So you can see here I have, before I start a design, I have some options about what kind of design I want to make. So if I want to post something on Instagram, maybe I said something really funny and I think I want to document it, I can put it to a picture and put my little quote on there and share it on Instagram. I can do the same thing with Facebook and making a poster. I can make a specific cover page for my Facebook if I want to put my own image and words, and then I can upload it to Facebook. And this is just a general like social media, a way to share something on social media. The other thing here is presentation, which I like, that you can create a presentation using this tool as well. So one of the other things I liked about this is that you can find your friends. So if I click on Find Friends, I can hook up with my Gmail if I want. So if I just click on Gmail contacts, it will look through my Gmail contacts and you can see maybe some of you are on there. And if someone is already on it, I can follow them. That's obviously me, so I don't want to follow myself. But you can invite people, you can follow people, and share things directly with them on Canva. If you don't share it with them through your social media. So back to my page here, you can see I made something here just very simple. Here I created a background with red roses, and I typed in these features here. So this was a layout that I chose. I could choose the different background that I wanted, and then I can choose what I want to write in here. So I can pick the image, pick the layout, see what it looks like. I can change the color. I can trash something if I don't like it. Very easy to use, very straightforward, very intuitive. So you can see all the different options that you have to create your own visual. It has over here a bunch of layouts, pre-designed layouts that you can choose. You can also create your own using your own choice of text. You can choose your own backgrounds and colors. You can also upload your own videos or upload your own pictures, or you can import them directly from Facebook or your Google Drive. It's very easy to use. You can also just drag them from your desktop. So if you have pictures on your desktop and you just click and drag them over onto this page, they will just automatically upload there. So I really like the easy to use. It's very straightforward, very intuitive, so you don't have to worry much about like doing tutorials or getting into the details of it. They also have a lot of images that you can just search for. So if I just look up monkeys, it will come up with a bunch of different images. There we go, images of monkeys. So I can pick one, drag it over, and manipulate it there. So changing the size, I can add a text to it if I want to, put something else over here and say something else about the monkey if I want to. So you can do whatever you want. You can see that the possibilities are endless. It's very creative. Students have a way to manipulate pictures and do silly and funny things and just be as creative as they want to be. So back here on the home page, up here you can see there's this design school. This has pretty much everything you need to know about design. It's not just related to designing on Canva, but it's about lots of different things and lots of different tools about designing. So there's a lot of information here about being creative, and exploring. One of the things that I really liked to see, I'm not very creative, so I like to see what other people do and to see kind of the potential of this type of tool. So it shows here some other people have made Twitter banners using Canva, and based on their different areas and specific backgrounds that they have, they create all these different kinds of banners that are very specific to them, and they can like express themselves how they want to. And I think that's important for students to be able to do that kind of thing, especially in the classroom, if you can find a way to use this usefully in the classroom. One of the things I specifically thought I would use this for is creating a word wall. So I've done this with paper and pencil and posted them around the room, but you can also put this on a website. So making something to share with a picture, a word, and a definition. They can create a quick image, do something creative and interesting, and share it on a website, or even on social media if you use Google Plus as a way for your class to share things together. So back to my original page of something that I created. One of the other things I liked about this is that you can easily create a presentation. So there's a specific presentation tool that you can use on this. So you can create multiple pages that are consecutive, that maybe show something you want to present. And so I thought maybe this would also be used in the classroom for creating presentations. So yeah, then once you're done with something, you can go ahead and share it with whoever you want. Specifically, if you want to enter in the email, post things on your social media. You can also make things public or private. You can tag them, name it whatever you want, and tag it with whatever you want also. And that concludes my Canva App Slam.